Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is okay motivating tech savvy. So guys, in this particular video I'm going to share with you guys how to upload your videos to YouTube using your smartphone. Okay, if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, also turn on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. So guys, in this particular video I want to show you how you can easily upload videos from your smartphone, assuming you've recorded your videos or you're already using your laptop, and after trying to do some editing using your smartphone, you're trying to upload using your smartphone, then this video is for you. And also I think over the weekend I had a lot of persons asking me how they can make videos using their smartphone. So this video is going to show you how to do all of that easily. So right here, what you need to do is to make sure you are logged in on your Google account, which has access to your YouTube channel. Okay, and when you've done that, just come here to this plus sign you're seeing here, click on the plus sign, and it's going to ask you what do you want to upload. So right here I want to upload a video, and I click on upload a video. Then it's going to take me to my phone where I can access all the videos that I want to upload. Okay, so let me just go and quickly look for a particular video that I would love to use for the sake of this training. Okay, let's say I want to use this, and I'm going to click on next.
Hey guys, so today I thought of
so just click on next, and you're going to follow through the process. So the next thing you want to do is to add your video title. What's the title of your video? What's the description? So right here, let's just say the title of this video is how to upload videos using your smartphone. Okay, so you can see here there is a limit of 100 words that you can use as your title. Okay, so right here, when I'm done, I'm just going to add in some hashtag and say YouTube. The next one can say viral videos. Okay, now when I'm done, I'm going to add my description. What's this video actually all about? Okay, you have to make sure that your description is reflecting what the video is all about. So I would advise you make like a repetition of whatever it is you talked about more on the video. So let's say I want to say this. So when you're done with all your description, the next thing you want to do is you could just add a link for people to subscribe. Say don't forget to subscribe. You can put the link to your YouTube channel. Okay, okay, then you can also put link to your social media handles like your Instagram. Okay, put your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter, so that people can also follow you. Okay, just put it there. It's advisable because you can get followers from there. A lot of persons have reached out to me on Instagram through my YouTube account and all of that. So what you need to do is to make sure that your details are correct. Okay, so you can do the same for Facebook, for Twitter, LinkedIn, any platform where you know you are. Okay, when you're done with that, just go back, and the next thing you want to select your visibility is to indicate if you want it to be public, you want the video to be published ASAP, or you want to set it as a premiere, meaning you and your audience are going to be watching this video at the same time. Okay, if you set it as premiere, you have to set the date, the time you want it to start premiering, but I just want it to be public for you to upload ASAP. Then if you want it to be unlisted, for example, if it's a video you don't want anybody to have access to, you can just put it on unlisted, or you can put it on private. Only those whom you choose can view it. So right here is a public video, so I just put it here and I go back. The next thing I was going to say, this video is not made for kids, okay, so that people can comment and all of that. Then my location, I can indicate my location, but it's not necessary, okay, so there's no need for that. The next thing I want to do is to add playlists. Okay, so right here I have a lot of playlists already. So let's say this particular video is regarding to YouTube, so I just select my YouTube playlist and I click on done. So when I'm done with that, the next thing I want to do is to add YouTube thumbnails. Okay, so what are YouTube thumbnails? These are captivating or attractive pictures, images that describe what a particular video is all about. It gets people to even easily click on your videos before they even watch the main video. So right here you see this particular image at the top right hand side. I'm just going to click on it, and then it's going to take me to my device where I get to see all the pictures that I have. Okay, so let's assume that I have a particular image I want to use. I want to use this particular image I already designed before that I've used for a previous video. I want to use this particular image you're seeing now. I'm not going to click on done. So if you don't know how to create YouTube thumbnails, please go and check my videos or the particular playlist called YouTube on my channel. You get to see how to create thumbnails easily. So when I'm done with that, the next thing I'm just going to do is to click on upload. So once I click on upload, it will start uploading my videos immediately. Now when you are done with uploading, that is not all. Now you need to install an application called YouTube Studio. So with YouTube Studio, it helps you to add more features to your video. So how do you go about that? Let's just assume I've uploaded this particular video now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to go back to that YouTube Studio. I'm going to go back to see this is the application here, YouTube Studio. So just click on it, and then it will enable you to see your channel, how it's growing, your content, how people are noticing you, the people who are viewing your channel, and all of that. So right here you will be able to add YouTube tags to your videos easily. Okay, you can't really add YouTube tags to your videos from that your YouTube application. So this is where you do all of that. So right here, let's assume that this particular video here, I'm just going to click on content. So you get to see all the content that I've uploaded on my channel. So whichever one of them I want to edit, I can edit and add tags and do everything I really want to do. So right here, let's see how I'm going to access that particular video. Okay, so you see this particular vlog here. I'm just going to click on it. What you do is when you access your YouTube studio, you come here, select the particular video you want to edit. I'm just going to select here, and then I'm going to say edit video. Okay, okay, so can you see now? So when I edit my video, remember the YouTube thumbnail I showed you how to set there? You can also do that here. So if I click on this pencil tool you're seeing at the top left hand side, if I click on it, I'm going to see YouTube thumbnail. So I can decide what I want to use. If I want to use a custom thumbnail, I just click on it, and it's going to take me to my device again, where I get to see the images that I can use that I've downloaded before regarding to my thumbnail. So it's all my choice. Okay, so right here, let's see if I can get any image I can use. Okay, let me check my download. Okay, so this is ChatGPT. Let's assume that this is the picture I want to use. Okay, first going to click on done. Okay, so can you see right now? So right here you get to see more options, more features to add to your video. So you see these more options, just click on it and then you will be able to see tags. You can see these tags here now. So here you need to add tags to your videos. It's really encouraging and recommended that you add tags to your videos. Okay, it makes it easy for people to search for you and be able to rank more. So now, how do you generate tags that are really engaging that people search for? What you need to do is to come back here and then copy the title of your video. Okay, just copy the title of your video. I'm just going to copy now. Then I'm going to head over to my browser. When you head over to your browser, you get to see search for YouTube tag generator. Okay, so that YouTube tag generator helps you to generate tags easily for your content on YouTube. So when I come here, I'm just going to search for a few tags generator. So I'm going to search for tag generator. YouTube tag generator. So we have a lot of them. There's a particular one I use for my tags. Okay, it will help you as well if you want to start creating it. Okay, so you see here, this is one of them, this keyword tool, and then this is another one. So I normally use this Tune Pocket. It has helped me a lot, so you might want to give it a try. So right here, what I'm going to do is to just paste that particular video title of my video that I copied. Okay, remember I copied something, so I'm just going to paste it there, paste, and generate. Click on generate. Okay, so I think this recapture is ready. So I'm just going to click on generate tags and see the tag that they are going to generate for us. Then when I'm done, I'm just going to copy it like I said and head over to YouTube Studio. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Okay, so you can see the tags that they generated for us. So all you need to do is to copy to clipboard and head over to YouTube Studio, go and paste tags, save your job. Okay, so right here you're going to click on tags, come here, click on the more options where you see tags. So I'm going to take this off, and then I'm going to add, just paste. I'm going to paste what I copied. Okay, so I click on paste and you see my tags here. So what I'm going to do now is to just head back. Now another way you can also tags is your description. Okay, so come back here to your description and you can just give it a space and then name it keywords. Okay, come here and then you're going to paste. Just paste your keywords here, and then when you're done, as usual, just save your work and you're going to see what you've done ASAP. Okay, so that's how you upload videos to your YouTube channel. So another thing you can also do with your YouTube Studio is that it helps you to check if you are due for monetization. Okay, so right here, I'm not going to save this work I just showed you now because this particular thumbnail is not what I use on my design. This is a particular thumbnail for another video entirely. I'm just going to change it back to what it were before. I click on done and then I can just save. Okay, so this is how it works. Now come back here to your dashboard. You get to see how your channel is growing, your subscribers, you get to see how each of your videos are ranking, you get to see comments, that's the latest comment people are dropping on your channel, you get to see all of them. And then when you go to your earnings, you get to see how far your channel has grown, you get to see your monetization status if you've meet up to the 4,000 watch hour subscribers. You can see right here, this is how it is. Okay, so you get to understand better when you have your own YouTube Studio installed on your phone. All you need is to just go through the app and see how your channel is growing, understand the format, whatever it is they are showing you, just understand it You get to see how people are even getting to know you. Is it through search? Is it through referral links and all of that? You get to see all of them. You get to see how your channel is growing in the last 28 days, your subscribers, your unique viewers, your returning subscribers. You get to see everything on this YouTube studio. So guys, if you watch this video to this particular stage, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be allowed to make review on this channel. So thank you once again, and see you next time. Bye.